Hello Hacienda La Puente, this is Ricardo, one of your tech tosas, and today we are going to do an update on how to link MasteryConnect to your Canvas courses. So in the past, we had told you to come to MasteryConnect and create a tracker. That is because the syncing wasn't working. But the way you want to do it is going to depend on how you did your classes. I'm going to start with an elementary class where there's only one Canvas class, and inside of it, for instance, is second grade, and inside of that you have your ELA, your math, your social science, and your science. Okay, we're going to start with this first. Okay, so maybe this will be just one Canvas course. This might be similar to high school, one Spanish class. Okay, if you have not cross-listed for high school. Okay, so this applies to just one Canvas course that is unique. Okay, so what you're going to do is in here you're going to go and find Mastery Tracker. For some of you guys, you might not see it because you hit it. So go to settings in here, and I can see my settings, so I'm going to just type it in here. Okay, so if you don't see it, it's because you might have gone to settings, navigation, and you might have hidden the Mastery Tracker down here. So just bring it up and update. Okay, that's all you have to do. But once you've done it, let's go ahead and go to Mastery Tracker. Okay, and in here it says that it's missing. Okay, so you want to link that Mastery Tracker. We're gonna click on it. Okay, and when you do this, you have a couple of options. You have create a tracker from a standard set. Okay, create a new tracker from curriculum map, which we don't have yet, and link an existing tracker. This would have been the case if you would have created it first, but we're not going to do that. Okay, we're gonna create it right from here. So create a new tracker from a standard set. Okay, when you do that, you get these options. Okay, it automatically gives it a title. I might want to add 2021. Okay, and over here you're going to pick a subject. So for this particular one, I'm going to create the language arts one, and after I'm done, I'm going to add the math standards, the science standards, the social studies standards, and any other standards that I might want to add to it. Okay, so let's just create the language arts. When you go to core, I want you to make sure that you pick, okay, look for California, and please don't pick the common core state standards. Pick the ones that are unpacked. Okay, because when we do interim assessments, this is going to be big. So pick the unpacked ones. Let's do that. Okay, and in the class, notice that over here for this particular class, she is second grade. Okay, so I'm going to pick second grade right here. Okay, and I'm going to link. That is automatically going to create that Mastery Tracker for me, and it's going to add my students. So you see how my students are in there now? So everything is done, and I have all of the standards for ELA. Now, because I am a elementary class and I only can link one tracker to a Canvas course, what I would like to do is when I'm ready to maybe give assessments in math, I can come in here. I can go to standards. I can go to add standards to this one tracker, and I can come in here and say, now I want to add the math. Okay, eventually I want to add science, social science, and so on to the same tracker. Okay, second grade. Okay, and I'm going to select all of them. So I'm just going to select all of them, and I'm going to add them all. So now this tracker has all of my ELA unpacked standards as well as my math standards in here. So now I can use it to be able to assess any of those. And if I wanted to add other subjects, I will go in here. So again, this is for a tracker that is tied to one Canvas course. Okay, what happens if you are one of those middle school or high schools that have actually cross-listed? Okay, let me show you what that's going to look like. So let me go ahead and go here. Okay, and I have a class right here just to show you. And in here, you're going to see that this particular Spanish class has been cross-listed. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to Mastery Tracker. Okay, I'm going to link. Okay, I'm going to select the source, create a new tracker from a standard set. I'm going to label this 2021. I'm going to add subjects. Now, if you're doing language arts, you will pick that, or math. I'm picking other subjects for this one. And I'm actually picking, when I go, it's going to take a while to find the subject. I'm going to go to California and pick actually world languages 2019. So give me 1 second. you're gonna see everything is in here, okay? World Languages 2019. Just to give you an idea, there's also AP is in here, Avid is in here, so you are able to do those if you wanted to, okay? Class, for me, this is gonna be advanced, so, oh, actually intermediate, so don't worry about this. This is just because of World Languages, and I'm going to link. Why did I do it this way? Very easy, because remember, this Canvas courses are cross-listed, and now you can come to students here, and I can actually look at it by sections if I wanted to. So notice I have a student here, but if for this particular period, if I switch it, I'm going to see my other students from the other particular class. So again, this is the way you're going to do it if you have cross-listed, which is basically in essence the same way. I just wanted to show you how you can see it, okay? And if you have any questions, please contact any of your tech tosters. Have a great day.